नमस्ते नमस्ते बिटिया। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself Dr. Aarti Purohit, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Sciences. In series of bacteriology lectures, our today's topic is Yersinia pestis, which is responsible for the Black Death or plague. See, you can see first this picture. This is in Black Death. There is a necrosis of the neck, fingers, and there is a gangrene of the fingers, which is amputated spontaneously now. Taxonomy. It is a member of Enterobacteriaceae family. Yersinia is a gram-negative cocoa bacilli. It is looking like this. It is in cocoa bacilli. Target tissues. This disease directly affects the lymph nodes, which can be found in the groin, neck, armpit, and cause them to enlarge and separate. So you can see all lymphatics are getting involved and swollen. Fleas or vector of this is the Genopsiella chiopis, and this reservoir is rodents, and they are also the sufferers, rats. Flea draws viable Yersinia pestis organism into its intestinal tract and they multiply. This Genopsiella chiopis is a flea of rats, and it takes this organism Yersinia pestis and take its intestinal tract and then multiply. Some Yersinia in the flea regurgitated when flea gets its next blood meal, thus transferring the infection to the next host. A few bacilli are taken up by the tissue macrophages and they lose their capsular layer, and macrophages can't kill Yersinia pestis and provide protected environment for bacilli so they can resynthesize their capsular layer. The re-encapsulated organism then kill the macrophage and are released into the extracellular environment where they travel to the draining lymph node. So this is the it is causing the infection. Now the symptoms include, first there is a bubonic plague and it is causing the buboes. Bacteria infect the lymph nodes. Here the bubonic plague. There is a bubonic plague and pneumonic plague also there, which is involving the lungs. So inguinal bubo on upper thigh of the person with the bubonic plague. There is a fever, headache and vomiting of blood. Diagnostic tests include take smear from the blood and feces of bubonic plague. Bacteria has safety pin appearance there, and we can also use a fluorescent antibody test. All plaque bacilli have unique diagnostic envelope glycoprotein called the fraction 1 antigen. The treatment includes 7 to 10 day course of antimicrobial therapy, streptomycin, chloramphenicol, and tetracycline. Vaccine of Yersinia pestis organism grown in artificial media, inactivated with formaldehyde and preserved in 0.5% phenol. The vaccine contains trace amount of beef heart extract, yeast extract, agar and peptone and peptide of soya and casein. Control of rat population concurrent with elimination of their flea prevent spread of the plague to humans. Epidemiology is bubonic plague. In bubonic, infected rodents infect this to the fleas and then humans. Humans are the accidental hosts of this cycle. It can also enter through the break in the skin when handling the infected animal. Prevalence and distribution in global human and animal population. It is very important because it is the largest pandemic which is causing the tremendous loss of humans. 1,000 to 300 cases reported annually across the world in Africa, Asia, and northern Brazil, and US also. Mortality in bubonic plague, untreated cases 60% mortality and treated cases are 20% mortality. It has killed one third of the world population during the 14th century. So you can imagine how dangerous this disease is and how this is the largest pandemic of the world which killed one third of the world population. Latest report show 15 March 2001, WHO has reported a total 436 suspected cases including 11 deaths in Zambia. And 27 May 2002, the Malawian Ministry of Health has reported 71 cases of bubonic plague in Malawi. Latest research show evolution, a single gene change in a relatively benign recent ancestor of the bacteria that caused bubonic plague played a key role in the evolution of the deadly disease from a germ that causes a mild human stomach illness acquired by contaminated food or water to the flea-borne agent of the Black Death. Genetics says research on three genes, Hamming storage gene in Yersinia pestis, that change it from a harmless long-term inhabitant in the flea mudgut to one that amasses in its foregut. And prevention, current prevention measures include dusting family pets with insecticide to prevent the spread of the Yersinia pestis organism from the native prairie dog population. This is all about the plague, or this is all about the Yersinia pestis. I hope you enjoyed this session. If any queries there, please mention it in comment box. I will try to resolve it.